Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook. We disabled your account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, when you go ahead and open up Facebook, you'll be able to see a login page that says appeal the suspension within 180 days. Now, you're going to want to tap on that prompt, as if you don't appeal within 180 days, or if your appeal isn't successful, your account will be permanently disabled and you won't be able to request another review of the decision. Okay, so go ahead and basically follow simple prompts of that pop-up. And in that pop-up, you'll be informed, or even in an email, okay, you'll be informed why your account was suspended. Okay, and the reason why it was suspended or why your account was disabled. So go ahead and check your email as well. So why is your account disabled, you may ask? Maybe you've posted content that doesn't follow the Facebook's community standard or Meta community standard. Or maybe you have misrepresent your identity in order to mislead or deceive others, evade enforcement or violation to Facebook's community standard, including impersonating someone. And lastly, maybe you're trying to contact other people for the purpose of harassment, advertising, promoting, or other conduct that is not allowed. All right, so to keep it short, all you got to do is just follow simple prompts when you go ahead and open up your account and then wait for your account to be lifted. You'll get a notification or email. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.